All right, good morning. Let me crawl down here on the floor. It's the only way to get the whole book in. Let me show you what I got in the mail. This is Happy Mail, and this was sent to me. I got it in the mail yesterday. I love this book. I can't tell you how much I love it. Um, Back cover is nice and stiff. You've got rounded edges. Picture of Odessa, the author. Every page just about has something in it that's to do with a bird. Now I'm going to flip quickly because it is a long book. Look at that. Page after page. Now, it is two-sided and it is not perforated, but I love the book so much I don't care. So, again, I just want you to see how beautiful her artwork is. With that bird cage full of flowers. Bowl with eggs with birds on. Just all kinds of beautiful musical instrument. More birds. Now when I see pages like this, I really like it because it gives you room to write things here, and you could personalize this somehow. You know, you could take pages out of this for gifts if you wanted and frame them. To me, they are just that beautiful. Look at that windmill. I love that. Yeah, I flipped through last night when this came in the mail. I just couldn't help myself. And I just sat and looked and looked and looked. There's just so much in here. And this may be one of those books that I just start at the front and go through, or I may skip around because I have so many favorite pages. There's a page with a clock on it that's beautiful. Look at that hummingbird with all that detail. You've got to be able to want to do small areas, okay? Because there's a lot of tiny areas. But like when you come into color, if you didn't want to do each little thing here, you can encapsulate all that into one feather and then it not be quite so much. But like these clocks are very detailed. I love it, detail and all. So it just depends on if you're into details. I'm not into coloring small, but this book to me is just one of the most beautiful books I think I've seen in a long time. Okay, it's called Little Birds Coloring Book. It is by Odessa Begay, and I don't know if I just butchered her last name or not. But I want you to see the number there. Hopefully I'm in the screen still. So I believe that this book is readily available on Amazon. I've seen it in a couple different places. But yeah, this is one that I would say you could purchase for a gift for a holiday or birthday or whatever and just not go wrong. Yeah, it's a good book. Highly recommend it.